Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this 2016 66 registered BMW X3. This is the 2 litre diesel X-Drive M Sport automatic. Current recorded mileage is 82,084 miles. Fantastic colour. This is black sapphire. Very good condition, as I hope you can see. So it's a 2 former keeper car from new. Service wise, we have 4 services in total, all on the long life service plan. Most recent service carried out in March 23 at the 82,000 current mileage. MOT expires on the 27th of January 2024, the only advisory being a chip in the windscreen. Tyres, we've got 4.3 and 4.6 millimetres on the rear, and the front tyres have both just been replaced, so therefore are brand new. Very high level of equipment on this particular car, has over 19 factory options, many of which front and rear parking sensors. You've got satellite navigation. Also you have the media package, Wi-Fi hotspot, enhanced Bluetooth. So over 19 factory options, which are all listed in our adverts. Great engine, so 2 litre diesel, 187 brake horsepower, returns an impressive 54 mpg. It is a Euro 6 engine, therefore it is exempt from the ultra low emission zone. Inside we have a very nice and clean full black leather upholstery. Do have a set of fitted carpet mats, both front and rear. Into the front, electric front and rear windows, as well as electric power fold wing mirrors. Car does come with an electric power tailgate with the button on the door card. So you've got the multifunctional steering wheel. The car does come with cruise control. You've got the main media system, where you've got satellite navigation. Naturally has Bluetooth for telephone. You can therefore use the Bluetooth for streaming music via Bluetooth music streaming. Alternatively, you can use the USB connection. The car does also come with a single CD player. Dual zone climate control air conditioning with heated front seats. Main iDrive control there, as well as the 8-speed auto gearbox. In this excellent condition, 2 former keeper BMW X3 will be supplied with 2 sets of remote central locking keys. We do have the handbook for the car. We have the service history evidence. The car also does come with a tyre inflation kit and gel pack present. It is also declared as being motor check provenance clear. For further information, I just urge you to go to our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can read a full vehicle description, view the extensive photography along with a walk around video, see all of our warranty information, use our interactive finance calculator, as well as reading our consumer reviews. We are also able to store and put all of our paperwork we hold for the vehicle, V5 MOT service history, which will be uploaded onto our website too. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. Any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at Berkshire Used Cars.